Hello, Dave here with RZR Daze. Here are a few short clips from our trip to Red Oak and the real-world testing of the Aftermarket Assassins upgrades.
I just want to go on record saying that I love Aftermarket Assassins stuff. It has made all the difference in the world on the RZR. The way it hooks up, the way it accelerates, and that's just with level 2 and the clutch kit and the thingy, you know, the thing.
That thing?
Yeah.
What did you plug in? Really?
Well, no, actually I'm talking about the helix thingy.
Helix.
That thingy, so.
Yeah,
Best money I've spent so far. Swear to God.
wasn't hard to install.
No, it wasn't.
I should also mention I paid full price for all the upgrades, although for full disclosure, they did give me a free t-shirt.
All day.
I did a lot of research on customer opinions for tuning systems for the RZR before committing my hard-earned cash. The overall opinions were great tunes, even better customer focus. Please like and subscribe as I have the full version of this video coming out soon. Take care, my friends.